In this video, I'll show you how to add GTA 5 cars into GTA San Andreas with an easy step-by-step method. Check my video description for this mod link. Once downloaded these three mods, I'll click on the required files and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open the required files. First up here, right click on the game and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your GTA San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, drag and drop all these files inside, replace the file the destination, and then go back, open the GTA 5 course, again open the folder, drag and drop this IMG inside the mod loader. Now open the to copy game folder and drag and drop this folder inside of a game, replace the file the destination. Once this done, go back and open the tab mod GTA SA.exe. Open the folder, drag and drop this exe. Right click on the exe we just dropped and select show more, send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through the newly created shortcut. Once you are in game, you can see all new cars. Look at the cars. Hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.